There, I'm presenting you SmartServe, a pioneer project which is an agentic AI-driven hospitality workforce platform which is developed under the guidance of Mr. Ajinkya Varantu. Our group members are Mayank Mankar, Lok Nandanwar, Tanisha Pradhan, and Shreyas Dhoke. Let me briefly walk you through the system architecture. At the top, we have a React plus TypeScript frontend that communicates with the backend using REST API and WebSockets. All requests pass through a security layer where we use JWT authentication and enforce role-based access control to ensure strict data isolation. Next, the request reaches the agent dispatcher, which acts as a router and forwards the request to appropriate AI agent based on the user's role. At the core, we use dual agent architecture, a powerful agent for employers to handle complex workflows like bulk hiring, and a light agent for employees to handle simple queries like job search. This helps us balance performance and cost. We also use Redis as a session cache which stores chat history and caches tool calls, significantly improving response time and reducing redundant operations. Below that is the AI tools layer where multiple tools handle tasks like candidate matching, job search, application tracking, document generation, and etc. Finally, in the storage layer, we combine a vector database for semantic matching and a relational database for structured data. Together, this enables the intelligent and scalable hiring automation. Now let's look at the implementation. For the database, we have used SQLite database, which consists of 14 tables that stores real-time data in the database and connects front-end and back-end. This is the UI that we have developed whenever any particular user logs in into the application. This gives the user two options, whether to continue as job seeker or to continue as employer. After successfully logging in as an employer, this is the UI that this is the UI that the employee sees. This is the dashboard along with 5 to 6 elements that we have developed, which covers find jobs page, applications page, offers page, interviews page, onboarding page, AI chat page. Find jobs page uses a job finder tool that uses an AI-based matching, which matches the employee's profile with the subsequent applications that are present inside the database, which are developed by the or which are processed by the employers inside the database. In order to get accurate and intelligent results, we have used two-way matching, which consists of semantic matching along with the role-based matching. Now here we can see that the employee has found 7 jobs based upon the uh, match score from top to bottom. So this process can also be accomplished using the chat section, where if we give the prompt like find jobs that match my skills, so based upon the database and based upon the entries or the job applications that are posted by the employers and using the intelligent two-way matching, it will give us the same result. Now we can accept the job by typing the prompt. After successfully applying for the job, the employer gets this message, and in the applications page, we can see that the for this position, the application has been sent to the particular user. So for two-way communication between the front-end, back-end database along with the various AI agent orchestrator, we have used a combination of REST API along with the WebSockets communication. After successfully logging in as an employer, we can see that the employer has received a notification that the particular employee has applied for the job based upon the match score. Uh, these gets updated in the applications page where it gives us the track record of the number of applications the employer has received, how many of the applications have been offered, how many of the applicants have been hired, and in the analytics page, this gives us the AI-powered analytics dashboard. This is the jobs page which allows the employer to post a new job, and it also gives us the access to the number of jobs that the employer has posted till now. It also shows the account of number of positions still available for the particular job, how many hires have been done, how many whether the job is active or not. Here the job application of the particular employee. can be reviewed after clicking review in chat function, where we can get an in-depth analysis of the application of that particular employee who has applied for a particular job using the application review tool, which is a specified tool that comes under employers orchestrator. Now we can see here we have got the detailed review of the application, which consists of the name of the employee, its location, its experience, skills, soft skills, along with the math score and the recommendations. Meanwhile, in the applications page of the employee, the status has been changed ap- from applied to under review. Now the employer agent can use the chat function in order to select the candidate. We can use the AI chat interface to select or reject the candidate. As we can see, after putting the prompt, uh, the chat agent is giving us the output as the job offer has been successfully being sent to the particular. Here, the employer has successfully received the notification regarding the offer acceptance. In the applications page, the offer has been marked as selected, and in the offers page, as we can see, there is one pending offer. Uh, it gives the employer to review the offer. Here we can see the job description of that particular offer, the salary, location, shift, job type. Here there is the option to accept the offer or decline the offer. Now, in order to send the offer letter and NDA, we can use the employer's chat agent to send the offer letter and